how to determine the type of a variable in Python. So far we have looked at strings, integers and float values. So let's now go back to the same running example of Krishna, okay, age 40 and salary equal to say 5.5. Okay, so now each of these is a variable, right? You have three variables and each one is holding a value whose type is different, right? So if you want to know what the type of a variable is in Python, you have to use this particular command. It's called type of the variable name. Okay, right, now let's print this here and see what we get. Let's print the type of name. So if you know execute it, you get class str. So for now you can ignore whatever this word is, right? We don't need to worry about what class means. We need to focus on what is there within the codes, right? It says it's an object of the string type, right? This is something that we already know, right? So this is a string. Okay, and the type of this variable is string. It holds a string. Let's now go ahead and do the same. Instead of saying type of name, we'll say type of age, right? And what do you expect? We expect this to be an integer value, right? So it's an integer object, int. Likewise, if you repeat this here, you will get salary to be a float object, right? So this is how you determine the type of a variable in Python.